Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am at the refrigerator in the shop here, and I'm going to show you guys what we got here. We got these it's by the Iwtmm, and it is a refrigerator liner. So what gets grosser than a refrigerator in a shop? The shelves get nasty and whatnot, so this is going to help us save that from happening. So we'll see how these are and see how they fit, and we'll go from there. Okay, so it looks like we have, how many of them are there in here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. It looks like 7, maybe more. I'm not exactly sure, but they were kind of stuck together. But I'll show you what it is here. It's like a little plastic sheet with bumps on it. So it's not. It's liquid won't go through. So when we had this cleaned for this purpose. So we have a nice clean fridge to put these on, so you don't want to put it on a dirty fridge. But we'll just put these on the shelves. I might have to cut them down a little bit. For here, you can see this one hangs over, or I can even do it sideways there. So then when people put their lunches on there and it leaks and whatnot, we don't have to worry about it. And also, if you have glass, these have glass shelves, and we have like glass bottles. So instead of it breaking that, we put it on there, and it's kind of nice. It actually will save your shelves from cracking and whatnot as well. So I'm gonna say these are nice. I'm gonna put these in here, and you see we've got 2 of them in there already, and they're super easy. Just gotta put them in, and probably if we line them up here, might put some double-sided tape or something to keep it down, but probably don't even need it. I think once something's on top of it, it's good. And then when something spills or gets yucky on it, just take it out and wash it. How cool is that? So way easier. It's made of, I don't know what it is, some sort of pet material or something like that. Yeah, pet G or whatever, but it's nice. It's kind of flexible, and it could stretch a little bit, but not really. It's mainly, it'll be good, and it'll be easy to clean, I'm sure. So totally thumbs up on me for these, whatever. Yes, very good.